Hey, Mike Burris here with Spirit Music Meetups. You know, on the previous videos we have some back sticking and going from traditional grip to from a traditional left-hand grip to a match grip, traditional match grip. Now I'm going to show you a really neat exercise you can do here. So back stick, we had a video about back sticking. Remember that? So we're going to go sort of trucks one. So you're going to go like that. So I'm standing on traditional grip, hit here, dun, I'd say dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, back, 4. So you want to kind of find a way to do this. Remember we talked about this, and this is the same thing, but you could actually you could put your fingers like that. 2 front, 2 in the back, 2 front, 2 in the back. So it's sort of like kind of 2 traditional grips. But instead of way back here in the groove, I'm going to put it further up in the hand so it doesn't go far as back. So now I can kind of use my fingers to kind of make it go like this. Same thing with this. So I'm using my fingers to kind of manipulate the stick. So dun, 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 dun. So you got to get, and then, or you could go da, da, but then what do? So you got to go da. You got 2 forward, 2 forward. See, the forwards are here and the backs are here. 2 forward, back, 2 forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Right, left, right. So it's right, left, left, right. Right, right, left, left, right. Right, left, left, right. That's called the inside paradiddle. Right, left, left, right. Right, left, left, right. Right, left, left, right. So what's another thing you could do? You could go left, right, right, left. Left, right, right. No. Left. Can we do that? Left, right. No, it'd be left, left, right. Left, left, right, right. Left, left, right, right. Left, left, right, right. Right, right, left, left. Right, right, left, left. Right, right, left, left. You can get different ideas here, right? I haven't tried playing on the top. No, you can't go anywhere. So you got to go underneath. Then you can go on the top. Then you can go on the top. Then you can go underneath. You can practice like we did. You can practice that. That's that pivot. Right? It's hard to do this and look in the mirror into the phone at the same time. It's like combing your hair in the mirror. Try that sometime. It's like trying to figure out which way to part your hair. That's funny. See, I did a game. I did 2 and then 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now I wonder if I could do. Well, that'd be serious. That is serious. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to do the opposite side. Whoa, that's weird. I never tried that. Try the opposite side. I've always done it this way. I know some guys that go really fast with this. If you can do that, send me a link. Put that down below and subscribe to the channel so you'll know when something else comes out. I'm just passing this on to some students that are interested in stick tricks. You know, I'm not a big stick trick guy, but you know, sometimes you have to do it, you know, or you're bored. It gives you something to do when you're bored. And showmanship is a lot about music, not just playing the music. The show is more than just the music. So enjoy and subscribe, please. Like the video. Spread it around, spread the love, as my friend Bob Kish would always say, spread the love. And we'll just keep learning that way, right? Put your stuff down on the comments, help other people, send a link. If you know how to do this, break it down better. All right, God bless you. Bye-bye.